So, good day, sir. I am Micaela Cabalandapu, Group 6 reporter. So, my topic is all about life and work, results, life and works in Belgium, Brussels, chapter 16, 1890. So, in January 28, 1890, Rizal left Paris for Brussels for two reasons. So first reason is the cost of living in Paris was very expensive. Then the second is the gay social in life of the city of hampered his literary works, especially the writing of his second novel, El Filibusterismo. So pasabot ini is isa sa mga reason niya is ning hawa siya dito because gusto niya na mag-focus siya pagsuyat sa El Filibusterismo. So next, so na ining duha ka friend ni Rizal, si Jose Albert and si Jose Alejandro, which is si Jose Albert accompanied Rizal to move to Brussels. So si ang naghagad na mo balis isa sa mga kaiba ni na balis sa Brussels. Then isa sa si Jose Alejandro, an engineer student who replaced Jose Albert. So, ang gipuy-an ni Rizal dito is they stayed in a boarding house 38 Rue Philippe Champagne. So, amoy ni nila boarding house dyan sila. So, tag-iya ini Rizal lived in this house when he wrote his novel El Filibusterismo in 1890 to 1891. So, amo dyan ang taghuyan ni Jose Rizal while nag-wrote si dyan ng atong kaduhan ni dyan na novel ni El Filibusterismo. So, ang owner ng boarding house or ang dyan nag-run sa ini na boarding house is atong by two Jacobi sisters named Suzanne and Marie. So, life of Rizal in Brussels. Rizal spent his time writing his second novel, El Filibusterismo. So, he also wrote articles for La Solaridad and letters for his family and friends. So, di naman matatalo yun next. He also spent his remaining time doing gymnastics in the gymnasium, target practice and fencing at the armory. So dito nag-concept siya like practice siguro ini or naghimo ng mga ingani ng mga activities. So ari ang 10 articles wrote for La Solaridad during his stay in Brussels. So articles published in La Solidaridad. So, during his sojourn in Brussels, Rizal wrote articles for La Solidaridad in defense of his oppressed people and to point out the evils of Spanish rule in the Philippines. Among these articles, which appeared in the patriotic periodical, were so many. First is ang Ala Defensa, Tula Defensa, April 30, 1889. So, pasabot ini, this was a reply to an anti-Filipino writing of a Spanish author, Patricio de la Escusura, which was published by La Defensa on March 30, 1889. So, na-publish ba sa ini sila na article is tong March 30, 1889. So, ani kaduha is ang La Verdad para Todos, The Truth for All. So, May 31, 1889, Rizal's defense against the Spanish charges that the native local officials were ignorant and depraved. So, amo ini natag-defense ni Rizal against the Spanish na ang native local officials were ignorant and depraved. So, ignorant. So, ani katuyo is ang Vicente Barrantes Barantes or the Teatro Tagalog, June 15, 1889. So Rizal exposed Barantes' ignorance on the Tagalog theatrical art. So next is ang number 4 is ang una profanation or a profanation, July 31, 1889. So, a bitter attack against the friars for denying Christian burial to Mariano Herbosa in Calamba because he was a brother-in-law of Rizal. Herbosa, husband of Lucia, died of cholera on May 23, 1889. So, amo maganin ni atong kibali uya ni sagot na ilubong amo ba to na tungod kay kuan siya na part siya sa family ng ni Rizal tungod kay brother-in-law of Rizal, brother-law ni Rizal jarin si Mariano Herbosa kay husband man si Janelle Lucia, which is si Lucia is igsoon ni Rizal. So number 5 is ang Verdades Nuevas or the New Truth, July 31, 1889. A reply to Vicente Velo Sanchez's letter published in La Patria, Madrid newspaper on July 4, 1889, which asserted that the granting of reforms in the Philippines would ruin the peaceful material rule of the affairs. So, I think, ini ni Rizal, reply niya ito sa reply sa kay Vicente Velo Sanchez letter na na-publish sa La Patria, Madrid newspaper. So, mo to, asserted means kaning state a fact or belief confidently and forcefully. So, diri kibali state ni Rizal atong ija reply. So, from the word the truth, so kuang gid ni Rizal ang reply niya sa about itong kay Vicente Velo Sanchez letter. So, number 6 is the crueldad or cruelty, August 15, 1889. So, a brilliant defense of Blumentritt from the scurrilous attacks of his enemy. So, amad to, brilliant defense. So, from the word brilliant defense, so, kining brilliant defense ni against defense of Blumentritt from the scurrilous attacks of the enemies. So, number 7 is the differences. A reply to a biased article entitled Old Truths published in La Patria on August 14, 1889, which ridiculed those Filipino who asked for reforms. So, diri amar nang gi-differentiate siguro. And differences, reply to bias article entitled Old Truths. So, next is 8, the inconsequence or the inconsequences. November 30, 1889. A defense ad Antonio Luna against the attack of Pablo Mardias in the Barcelona newspaper El Pueblo Soberano. So, an ika-9 niya is ang Llanto y Risas or Tears and Laughter, November 30, 1889. A denunciation of Spanish racial prejudice against the brown Filipinos. So, Rizal mentioned in this article how the audience, composed mostly of Spaniards and mestizos, stopped applauding when he received first prize in the literary contest in 1880 because of his brown color. So, And number 10 is the ingratitudes or ingratitude. January 15, 1890, a reply to Governor General Valeriano Weyler, who, while visiting Calamba, told the peoples that they should not allow themselves to be deceived by the vain promises of their ungrateful sons. So, amo tong ija 10 articles. So, next is the New Tagalog Orthography. So, he was the first to advocate the Philippinization of its orthography. Kini siya is kaning while in Brussels, his articles was published in La Solidaridad entitled Sobre la Nueva Ortografía de la Lengua Tagala. In English, the new orthography of the language. So in this article, he laid down the rules of the new Tagalog orthography. So kibali si Jaan kaning from the word orthography is kaning mga writings si Ja na nagamit ng mga right words, right letters ingana. An example ni diri is kaning salakot na SALACOT na gibayloan ni Ja og instead of C gibayloan ni Ja og K. Then an araw, di ba an araw din an example is ARAO. So gibayloan ni an O into W. So the Tagalog letters K and W should be used instead of C and O. So inana. So Rizal gave the credit for the adoption of his new orthography to Dr. Trinidad H. Pardo de Tavera. So amo dyan sa Trinidad H. Pardo de Tavera. Works El Sancrito en Lengua Tagala. So, next is Rizal criticizes Madrid Filipinos for gambling. Rizal received news from Juan Luna and Valentin Ventura that the Filipinos in Spain were destroying good name of their nation by gambling too much. So, amo to na nabiro gid si kuan. Criticize gid ni Rizal ang mga Madrid Filipino for gambling. So Rizal wrote to Marcelo H. del Pilar to remind the Filipinos in Madrid that they went to Europe to work for their fatherland's freedom and not to gamble. So amo to nagsuwat si Rizal daw para kay Marcelo H. del Pilar na itatagpa-remind na ang mga tao na Filipino na dapat ni kadto sila dito sa kadto na lugar, they went to Europe to work for their fatherland's freedom and not to gamble. Diba gamble is kaning mga sugal inana. So the gambling Filipinos in Madrid were angry when they learned of Rizal moralizing. Sama dyan na kibali na biro atong mga Filipino na to sa Madrid kay Rizal tungod sa letter ni Ja about sa isat pag-criticize kay amo lagi John imbis na mag-work sila sa fatherland's freedom pero instead gigambling na hinuan sila. So they called him Papa or so amo to gitawag nila si Rizal na Papa instead na Pepe. So through gambling they are showing that the Filipinos are not worthy for freedom but of slavery. They should spend their time doing something noble and generous because the youth is noble and generous. The gambling Filipinos in Madrid became very angry sa mato when they learned Rizal's moralizing that they called him Papa instead of Pepe. So amato. So, the next is the presentiment of death. So, next is the presentiment of death. So, kibali ang feeling ni Rizal. So, Rizal had a bad dream during the night in Brazil. So, nagdamgo daw si Rizal mga bad dreams during night ni Diyo sa Brazil. So, amoy ni. And he feared he would not living. So, mo to kibali hamok na yung mga negatives na ija na damguhan. So, amoy ni ija letter to Del Pilar. In my childhood, I had a strange belief that I would not reach 30 years of age. I am preparing myself for death. Laong laan, ever ready is my true name. So, okay, bali. Ini na letter is amar nagstorya na si Jana amar nagstorya si Jana dira kuno sa moabot sa 30 years of age ni Ja. Tapos kaning nag-prepare na kuno si Ja ko galingon para sa iyang kamatayon. Grabe sa dini ka ko iba. Tapos amar nang declare niya sa iyang kagalingon nga kuan daw siya ever ready laang laon ever ready kuno sa is my true name. So kibali prepare gid ini si Rizal na kaning amar nang na-predict na siguro ni Ja na yun mapatay na yun siguro siya. So ini so jari ang summary na ni Rizal letter to Del Pilar. So makan basa. So Rizal wanted to finish his second novel before he went to grave. So amo to isa sa mga goal ni Rizal is matapos gyud ang El Filibusterismo na kuan niya novel before siya mapatay. So ni preparation to go home. Rizal could not stay in Brazil writing a book while his parents, relatives, and friends in the Philippines were persecuted. So amar kibali ng waya kaning dili siya maka-stay. Amar nang dili siya mahiluna na mag-write ng book tungod kay ang ija huna-huna is diya sa Philippines because ang iyang parents, yung mga relatives, yung friends na nabilin diri sa Philippines is persecuted. So, amo ini ang Rizal letter to Ponce. I want to go back to the Philippines, and although I know it would be daring and imprudent, what does it matter? The only thing that can detain me is about whether my parents agree. I am afraid to disturb their last years. In case they should object my homecoming, I would work for a livelihood in some part of the world. So amo dyan ang letter ni Ja. Amo dyan ni Riza letter ni Koan. So ari sab diri naglaong na. We have only once to die, and we do not die well. We lose the opportunity which will not again be presented to us. So matunan laong na Rizal. So amo sa na kuan amo jari. So ito Rizal friends warned him of the danger that awaited him at home. So amo to na kuan matud pa amaratag warningan kibali si Rizal about sa danger umuuli siya sa back to the Philippines. So next, decision to go to Madrid. Something happened that made Rizal change his plan in returning to the Philippines when he received a letter from Pasiano which related that they lost the case against the Dominicans in Manila, but they appealed it to the Supreme Court in Spain. So June 20, 1890, Rizal wrote to M.H. Del Pilar retaining the latter's service as a lawyer and informed Del Pilar that he was going to Madrid in order to supervise the handling of the case. So madto na nagpatabang gibali siya sa lawyer na about sa ini na case. Then July 28, 1890, he wrote a letter to Ponce announcing that he was leaving Brussels at the beginning of the following month and would arrive Madrid about 3rd and 4th of the August. So, grabe, bisa kadugay. So, nag-send siya ng letter to Ponce na amo dyan, mo leave siya sa Brussels. Kato siya sa, mobile siya sa Madrid. And as in beginning of the following month would arrive Madrid. Oh, sama to. So, amo ini ang nakapatok yun kay Rizal na nagdesisyon siya na mukadto siya sa Madrid. So, in August 1890, he arrived in Madrid, burdened with sorrows brought about by terrible news about his family and the worsening trouble in the hometown. So, munto na, grabe, Spanish newspapers. So, El Resumen, El Dia, La Justicia, and El Globo. To cover the ears, open the purse, and fold the arms. El Resumen, or the liberal Spanish newspaper, is an article that they publish which talks about the colonial policy of the Spaniards, especially those in the Philippines and other colonies. So, amo dyan ng mga newspaper ang iya nabasa. Kibali nakabasa siya sa newspaper about sa mga mga terrible news na brought by his family na worsen na and trouble dito sa iyang hometown. Then, December 1890, Rizal spent a cold month with a letter from Leonor Rivera asking his forgiveness and telling him about her forthcoming marriage to an English chosen by her mother. So, amo to diba na si Leonor Rivera is kaning dili mo sugot ang parents si Leonor Rivera na si Rizal ang iyang kaminyuan because na ay giandam sa family ni Leonor Rivera na amoy pakasalan kibali para kay Leonor. So, which is amo tong the Englishman chosen by her mother. So, matod pa pighati si kuan to Rizal ato na mga time. So, next. So, here is the So, adtong badya romance with Petit Jacobi. As the despondent Rizal was preparing for his trip to Madrid, two things brought some measure of cheer to him. First was the summertime festival of the Belgium, which was celebrated in carnival style with colorful costume, fantastic floats, and many days of merriment. Second was his romance with Petite Suzanne Jacobi, the pretty niece of his landlady. So, adong di ba ang duha sila ka mag sister owners adtong boarding house na gigoan niya gihuyan si Suzanne o si Marie. So, ini ba si Suzanne is kuan kaning naay siguro nahitab dyan amar nagka relationship something na. So, leaving Brussels, Rizal left the young Suzanne box of chocolates. So, 2 months later, Suzanne wrote a letter to Dr. Rizal. So, may siya letter and more. So, hamok pa to siya tag suyat na letters sa kuan to my muse na. He was so charming ang din. So, amo ra adto. So, amo to ang life ni Rizal during sa Brussels. So, amo dito ni ja in summary. So, dito si Rizal nagpadadyon sa iyang second novel amo tong El Filibusterismo. Tapos dito sa na lugar jay sa ija na meet na babaji. So, amo ini si Jacobi, isa sa mga sister of Jacobi, si Suzanne, ang pretty niece of his landlady. So, dito sa true sab dito na kuan sab ni Rizal ang dito sab ni kuan ni Rizal ang atong articles na La Solaridad. So, hamok pa ito mga happenings dito ni Rizal. So, anta na explain na ko to. Amar sa ko na sub-dancer sa ini na part. That would be all. Thank you for listening. Bye!